Hey guys, it's Julie. Happy New Year's Eve to you guys. This is the last time I am getting on here regarding our Boxing Day sale. The Boxing Day sale ends tonight. You have until about midnight tonight to order and get those sales locked in. It is while supplies last. Thank you guys for purchasing, those of you that have already purchased. But I have a feeling that a lot of you guys are on the fence regarding the shadows. You want to get a good deal on the shadow, but you're looking at the blue colors and you're like, that's just not me. Well, let me tell you something. This look that I am wearing is so breathtakingly beautiful. You really need these shadows, guys. They're like $8.50 or $8.20, $8.40. I'm not really sure, but it's somewhere in the ballpark of $8 a piece for these colors here. I have on all of the colors that you see here. Bayou, Denim, this one is Gilded, Rigoletto, Stardust, and Tangerine. I have all 6 of those on my eyes. I use the denim as a eyeliner. I sprayed my brush with the setting spray, and it locks in that powder eyeshadow as a liner, so it's really gorgeous. So I have a tutorial to show you today how to use these. Please, please, please do not miss out on our Boxing Day sales, guys. This is it. This is the last chance to get these deals. Have a fantastic, happy, and safe new year. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone, all of my clients. Whether you purchased or maybe you just had me try the makeup on in person, I thank you for your interest in the line and in me and in what I do, and thank you for obviously loving what I do. Have a happy and blessed new year. Enjoy!